It's the first day of summer. It's really warming up and things are taking off. Why do I have bamboo in my hand? We're gonna have to stake some peppers. Look what I found. Came out here yesterday and this had broken off and it had a nice pepper already started on it. But we're gonna go ahead and stake all of these peppers. Just kind of find the bottom of your pepper. Go ahead and put that stake in a little ways. You'll support it, but you won't restrict it. Now that can move with the wind. Now, like with the tomatoes, you can prune these if you'd like. I don't necessarily prune them at this stage. Loosely tie a knot there, so you got a nice little loop with your pepper in there, and it can move with the wind. And this Anaheim's put on some very nice peppers. I'm just gonna let those mature out. But it is time to stake this. I don't want it to break off. Hot One, our Ghost, and our Reaper, I'm just gonna preset these stakes. When they get a little size to them, we'll go ahead and support them. But for right now, I think they're okay. A nice big loop and a knot at the end. That'll allow that to move with the wind. Let's see if we have anything else that needs tied up. Well, we can't walk by and leave these tomatoes. Now I'm gonna share, but I'm also gonna get one. Right off the vine. You can do this too. On the first day of summer, walk right out to your garden, start eating. And yes, we have watermelons growing in the peppers. Think they might be black diamond, but then again, they might be those yellow ones. This is exciting. But I do see something else over here. And while we're trellising and pruning, this is our Cherokee that I took all the suckers off of. And the first tomato is going to blush. This is our determinate, and it is really tightly packed. We have tomatoes in here, but it's not getting very good airflow, and it does have some little white flies. We need the ladybugs to start working on it. And then this Cherokee, I went ahead and left all the suckers on. Even though I put string on a couple of the suckers, we still have suckers down here touching the ground. And that's gonna bring disease up in here. I'm gonna have to get another string and get this up off the ground. But that's why we go ahead and take the suckers out of most of them. For all the Vine Ripe purists, I'm sorry. We got our first tomato. You can do this too. Well, let me go ahead and get the rest of these peppers staked up. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.